So let's talk about something that I think many people will be interested to see, and also many small creators will relate, I believe. As a small creator, I think it's fair to say that you struggle as well, like me, try to contact companies. What I'm talking about is collaborations. Have you tried to contact big companies like Samsung, like Google, like you name it? Basically, you just want to collaborate with them. You just want to work as for a promotion, for a typical promotion, or you feel like, okay, let's try. You want to play with the big boys, but because you don't have million subscribers, views, and most of the companies will say no. And that's why I'm making today's video, especially for small creators like, I believe many people are struggling. So what I did is, a few days ago, I did a video and I asked Samsung to send me a Galaxy Z Flip 4. This was not a joke, actually. I did the video. Also, I did another video with Rode. Same thing. I asked them to send me the Procaster Pro 2. But are you struggling to get recognized? I mean, I've been turned off from many companies because I don't have subscribers. Some companies that I try to work with, the first thing that they ask me is how many subscribers you have or how many views. I mean, end of the day, I know it's a business, but I believe the big companies should give a chance to small creators. I don't want to free stuff. I just want to have opportunity to work with big companies because you may like my style, you may like my my voice, my I don't know, my the way that I make videos, my presentation. So I think we've been left on the side, and at many companies they want to work with the big boys, which this is nothing wrong. Don't get me wrong. Obviously, if I have a business, obviously I will try to work with, let's say, more professional people. But end of the day, you should try with even small creators because you never know. Because I can bring something that some people don't have. I'm not saying that I'm very good. I don't have like a 10,000 pounds camera. My setup is very very budget, but it's nice. I enjoy it. So we can bring something to the table, and because most of the companies they don't want to work with us, we don't have a chance to work with big companies. So that's why I decided to make today's video. Let me know in the comments down below. Have you tried even once to contact a big company, and did you have a response? What I'm gonna say now probably will be crazy, but it's not all about the money. I started this channel because I enjoy YouTube, I enjoy what I'm doing. I like the process of making the videos, set the camera in front of you, just talk to you. This is fun. This for me, it's fun. But I didn't start because I want to get free products, I want to get money, I want to be famous. I started as a hobby and something as a passion of mine. And if I start to make some money, if I start to get some recognition, that's a bonus. So this is nice. So that's why I decided to make today's video. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think? Do you agree with me? Do you think that the big companies should work only with professionals? Or do you think that they should give a chance to small creators? You know, you maybe like our job. So there you have it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, turn your bell notifications, And if you have any questions, please leave it in the comments down below. Also, if you have some interesting story that you want to share, leave it in the comments down below. It will be nice to see if you have any interesting story with some companies. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.